There are some nuances to this that one person may benefit from, some may not need it. We'll go over both just briefly. The first one's just standard, right? Stack your hips. You should feel like one hip's right over top of the other one. You don't want your hips rolled back. So when we're looking at the knees, they should be pretty much lined up with one another. From there, feet stay together, and then just open up the knee toward my hand. Right, so feet stay together, open up. Good. Right, so a little bit harder because we're against gravity, but still a good place to start for early hip and knee rehab. The slightly more specific, and I'd say this is most of the time with my patients, I do see some asymmetries in strength, one of which involves a weakness of the glute max on your right side here. So to target that a little bit more specifically with the clam, we can bring your legs up, place the hip into a little bit of passive internal rotation, so a little prop underneath the feet. That's going to put her into that internally rotated position. And then from there, I actually want you to reach your knee forward and slide your thigh along, right? So now we should appear to have one leg longer than the other. And then from there, maintain that reach and still open up as high as you can. Right, so it's going to change the hip position to recruit a little bit more of the glute max fibers, which tend to be weaker on the right side here. So we'll throw this in there, right? So when we're targeting this position, again, give it a try. If it feels weak, you're gonna tell, right? You're gonna feel that burn in the glute. I do wanna add a little towel roll under the ribs here, right? So one thing we're looking to avoid with this is too much flaring of the ribs. That's one of the drivers of this compensation. So we do wanna try to even things out or even block the ribs in certain areas from expanding too much and force some expansion in other areas. So breath work is a good thing to practice when you're doing this specific type of clam. So you can do inhale, exhales. On your exhales, you can perform the movement and hold it in the air for a few seconds, take a couple breaths. Those are good things to add and progress this exercise as well. But again, just looking at that rib position, maybe toss a little towel roll or something underneath of the ribs here to create a more neutral spine position.